How to change Facebook page name? First of all, you have to open Facebook and make sure to switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page that you want to change the name of. Then go to three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you need to select the gear icon at the top of the screen. On the top you can see the search bar, tap on it, or the search icon. You need to tap on it. And on the search bar you can type in name. At the top only you can find out the name option. Open it. Here you can see the current name of your Facebook page. You need to note that if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So you can delete this existing name and easily add the new name of your choice, and you can select the review change button. You can also add a nickname or birth name etc. at other names which is at the bottom. So that's how we easily change Facebook page name, but you will be only be able to change it again after 60 days. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.